Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Think Nursing channel, where we discuss everything related to nursing, travel and lifestyle. For those of us who are new here, my name is Stacey, and so as you're aware, my channel is all about, nursing. It's all about me sharing my experience here in Jamaica, here in the US as a nurse practitioner. You understand? And I just want at least one person who is watching the video, if they're not a nurse or if they're a nurse thinking about the career, then at least I can take something from my channel. I always say each one reach one, and it means that, at least my contribution can actually contribute to your upbringing or your development, motivate you in some way, some means, whatever way. That's the whole aim of my platform. So about a week or two ago, I subscribed to a channel. I saw this video called Jamaican Nurse in the US, and there was a flag beside it. And I was watching the video. The gentleman had only 71 subscribers at the time. So I went ahead and subscribed, and I was like, I like your video. I am hoping that you will continue, basically. And I was encouraging him just to, continue. I like what he was doing because he was showcasing, what it is like being a Jamaican in the US here working. And he had some additional tips that he was sharing as well. So it was something that was encouraging for me, and I wanted him to continue with it. As I say, each one reach one. Somebody can come over to your channel and just get one information and run with it, and another person might come over there, don't say anything important to them, but at least a person who run with it, they know what they're running with. So I always say at least one person is going to benefit from it. And so I reached out to him. He has been posting videos, and his videos have literally skyrocketed. Yes, he has had over 2,500 subscribers. Last night when I looked on his channel, he had 2,900 subscribers, and I was just like smiling to myself. I'm excited. The reason I'm excited about it is that, as I say, he's very positive, and he's showing a lot of things regarding working here in the US and comparing it with Jamaica. And it is something similar to my channel. We're not here trying to bash anybody or trying to bash any health system. We're just here showing what we've experienced, and we're trying to encourage other persons, motivating other persons. So even if persons have migrated from Jamaica or migrated from another country, at least our experience can actually help with, their experience or what to expect when they arrive here in the US or probably in any other country, because probably, there's something that you can bring from the US system into another system in terms of work experience and all. So anyways, I keep on watching this channel, and as I said, there's certain things that we cover that are similar, but at the same time, it's my experience that I'm sharing. He's sharing his experience. So you can always take information from both channels, put it together and make it, be beneficial to you. So I was watching this video last night, and the video he posted was about bad mind and grudgeful. Yes, bad mind and grudgeful. And I was just smiling. I never watched the video at the time when it was posted because I was doing my duties. And so I say, all right, then when I get home, I'm going to watch it. And that's what I did. So long and behold, I was there watching the video. And guess what popped up in the video? The guy went ahead and highlighted my channel. He went ahead and highlighted my channel in his video. And I was there and I was like, whoa.
But me can't even find the words, and that's a good thing. Me can't find it. I can't find it. But I don't have negative thoughts towards these people. Right? For example, again, there is a nurse practitioner that I found, Stacey. I think her page is called Think Nursing. I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen. Right? She's a nurse practitioner here in the States. Jamaican woman who is a nurse practitioner here in the States. Right? When I watch her videos, I get information from the videos. I get to see life in nursing from her lens as a nurse practitioner. Right? I am not a nurse practitioner. Being a nurse practitioner, you have to go for additional studies and you have to, higher level of education. Me now sit on one side and bad mind Stacey and I say, boy, I make sure I go on so. Boy, she go on like she all that, boy. So she not go no further than that. Whatever it is, as I said, that negative people or envious people think, whatever it is, I don't have those thoughts towards the woman. What I see is a black Jamaican woman who has come to the United States and I do her thing. You understand? And I have nothing but joy for her. So instead of being bad mind, instead of being envious and covetous and want to see her fail, want to see her fall, I feel inspired. And then now, my thought is, to reach out to her, if at some point I want to go along that path, to reach out to her and say, hey, How did you do X? How did you do Y? How did you get here? Or just continue to watch her videos because she shares a lot of good information there. How did you, transition from RN to FNP or whatever it is that you do? Me not feel bad mind. Me not feel heaviness in my heart. Me not feel like I don't feel less than or feel like, inferior. Me feel happy for the woman. But unfortunately, there are those that seeing someone else thrive, seeing someone else grow, seeing someone else do well, it bother them. It bother them like they have sleepless nights. Like, even the Bible tells us, that these people, if you read the Psalms, you see it in there like over and over. These people, the scriptures say, plot evil.
Whoa, I had to kind of pull it up and ask my mom and my husband, like, what is going on here? He went ahead and he made mention of how we found the channel, or how, I don't know how he had said it, but, he found the channel, and we basically was sharing similar information, and he liked what was there on the channel. It's motivational, inspirational, and I was just there listening, and I'm like, sometimes we're doing things and we don't know that other persons are observing us. You understand? And it can be a case where, say for example, I never had seen Deron's video. What even a bad mind Deron, because Deron is at, let's say, 3,000 subscribers now. You can imagine if I never watch his video because my bad mind, I'm grudgeful towards him, that he has like surpassed the amount of subscribers I've had for the last 6 months in like less than 2 weeks. Can you imagine if I had bad mind that guy and his channel, that I never watched it? I would have missed out on the opportunity to see that he actually is inspired by something that I do on my channel. My channel is a resource for him as well as for somebody else. He might not use everything from the channel now, but at least there's something that he can take away from it. And when I sat there and I was watching the video, the only thing that came to my mind was that I'm just smiling. I'm just smiling. And then I look at it and I'm like, there's so many persons out there who are doing things, and their friends, their family are not in support of them. There's so many persons out there that are doing their channel and nobody is in support of them, but the persons are pushing. They're continuing to do what they're doing because they know definitely that the work that they're providing is going to be benefiting at least one person. And that is what I always say. My videos might not be 100%, good, but I'm comfortable with the content that I'm providing. I'm comfortable with the content that I'm sharing because I know definitely it will reach on one person's ear, and that person will be motivated and encouraged to continue what they're doing. And so, as I say, I woke up this morning and I was like so excited because I never expected it. I reached out to him on his, I never reached out to him. I commented on his video. And he watched my videos and he commented on videos on my channel. And it was just something that was, good. It was nice. But the connection was done from before. The connection was done from before with the fact that I subscribed and I made a comment on his video, and he in turn responded. And that's how we keep on observing and watching each other's videos and encouraging and building each other. So this just goes to show that, whatever you're doing, put your all in it. And if you love what you're doing, just continue doing it. Persons are going to be out there who are not going to be happy, who are not going to encourage you. Persons are out there just literally bad mind and grudgeful. And I know my channel is not like huge. I don't have like a big audience, and that's fine. Once I'm providing the quality of work, eventually it will pay off. So big up to Deron. And the thing about it is that I don't know Deron from Adams, I don't know Deron. I do not know him. It is just showing that there are good persons out there. Persons are excited for you. There are persons who are not excited for you. But you can't really, whatever. You can't really say anything. Just continue doing what you're doing. Press on. And as I keep on telling other persons, if you have something that you can contribute, if you have something that you think other persons can benefit from, it's always good to share it. It is always good to share it. And so, you know, that's what this channel is all about. But, you know, all of this smile here, it's all about the fact that each one reach one. I like to my channel and what my work is doing, you know. So big up Deron Speaks. So his tag is @DeronSpeaks on YouTube. So big him up, and you know, just continue with what you're doing. You have some really good words of encouragement and motivational, you know, things going on there, and just continue sharing your content. Continue sharing your content and just be authentic. That's what I want. That's what I love. I love the authenticity of what we're providing. So me not come here and I polish up anything. Me not come here and I try, you know, make things look different than what it is. It's just the reality of what life out there is as a nurse, life out there is as a nurse practitioner, and that is just what I am sharing on my channel. All right, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn that notification bell on, and remember to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so, and remember to check out Deron Speaks channel and subscribe as well, and show him some love. Until then, thank you so much for tuning in, and I do hope that you will have a wonderful day. Bye.